Today we're not just diving into the latest tech news, we're exploring the groundbreaking advancements from NVIDIA. NVIDIA's latest AI model is here to shake things up, promising performance that outstrips even the most advanced offering from tech giants. Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here with the daily episode Stock a Day. So like, subscribe, and let's talk NVIDIA. NVIDIA has recently launched a groundbreaking AI model claiming superiority over the leading models from OpenAI and Amazon-backed Anthropic. This move transitions NVIDIA from being solely a hardware giant to a comprehensive AI solution provider. In this video, I will explore what this strategic shift means for your investment portfolio and NVIDIA's stock value. We will analyze insights from a recent podcast with Jensen Huang, NVIDIA CEO, discussing how NVIDIA's AI advancements could revolutionize computing and potentially lead to significant stock price increases. We'll also discuss how to spot stock market breakouts, which are quite predictable if you know the 4 key rules by Wall Street. For instance, NVIDIA chart shows clear breakout around 50, which could have been a lucrative opportunity. Now, let's delve into NVIDIA's full stack approach in AI, which involves handling every aspect of AI developments. Imagine if you're a pet, not just fetch ball, but also through it, kept score and analyzing the game. This is NVIDIA in the AI space. Over the past decade, NVIDIA has drastically reduced computing costs, enhancing machine learning efficiency across the board. They're not just improving parts of the system, they're redefining how computing works, aiming to create new markets rather than just competing in existing ones. The secret to NVIDIA's success lies in what's called combinatorial advantage. Every improvement in their AI stack enhances their entire system performance. Consider this. Today's GPU clusters are massive, with companies like Tesla and Mega using clusters of 200,000 or 300,000 GPUs. Jensen Huang envisioned a future where millions of GPUs might be needed, suggesting a dramatic scale up in computer infrastructure. The next frontier in AI, known as inference, involving AI making decisions based on its learning. One predicts a billion-fold increase in inference computing, which could lead to a gold rush in AI capabilities. Companies providing this computer power stand to gain immensely, making investments in cloud computing very attractive. However, this expansion brings challenges like energy consumptions, cooling, and physical space requirements. Despite these hurdles, we're witnessing the draw of a new computing era, far surpassing the internet's impact in the 90s. Huang boldly claims their reinvented computing, shifting from manually programmed systems to machines that learn and adapt autonomously. This shift is transforming software development, with AI tools becoming increasingly autonomous and efficient. Looking at NVIDIA's financial future, Huang envisions a company where AI assistants outnumber human employees significantly, suggesting each employee could manage tasks equivalent to thousands of virtual workers. This could exponentially increase productivity and revenue per employee. NVIDIA's new AI model, LLAMA 3.1, Neutron 70B, Instruct, outperform rivals, setting a new benchmark in AI performance. These models' accessibility through NVIDIA's platform could democratize AI use, pushing competitors to innovate faster. From an investment perspective, if every 10 AI agents require one high-end GPU, the potential market of NVIDIA's hardware could reach $300 billion US dollars, indicating substantial growth potential for NVIDIA's stock. Huang positions AI as the most valuable commodity, suggesting a transformative leap in human productivity. Investors might see NVIDIA's stock multiply several times in value, but it's crucial to manage risks wisely. The upcoming tech earnings could significantly influence NVIDIA's stock direction, with key resistance levels at 150 and support at 120. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's dig in NVIDIA's chart. NVIDIA still have time, November 14th, but second week in a row above this trend line with a doji. New all-time highs during the week, closed the weekly with a doji. Now the 129 area is the support. Long continuation, we will see 155 and 172. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video. I do hope you find it helpful, educational. If so, like, subscribe, check the links in the description below for more educational resources. Until the next video, stay safe.